How we going, guys? Just gonna do a 5-packet fucking card opening. Let's see how we go. In the car, just down the street. I've got heaps more openings for a bit later, but we'll do 5 for now. Let's see how we go. Alright, first pack down. Opening the second pack, let's see how we go. If you see any cards you like, just drop a comment down. Let's see how we go. That's another see-through. Just me car, don't worry about it. Should be right, nothing's gonna blow up. Last pack for the night. I'll open more a bit later, but last pack for now. Here we go. That was the last pack, and we've got to get a decent one at least. Thanks for tuning in. Come back for a bit more later.